All right, everyone, it's been a little over a day. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing fired up. I parked it here to see if anything was gonna leak, and we had a little bit of power steering fluid leak right there. Other than that, it's all clean. It smokes when you start it, and then the smoke goes away, and then when you're on the gas it smokes some more. The rings are probably old and tired, and we haven't really given it a whole lot of love, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing for a drive around the block. I got insurance now, so we're gonna get in here and fire it up, and we're gonna send it. I got insurance. It's not inspected, but we got brakes, and so we should be fine. Just go around the block. Hopefully the throttle won't get stuck. It got stuck on me once, so that'll be fun. See if I can get a good place for this GoPro mount. That's a little shaky. Maybe in the window. That's worked for me before. I think it's gonna work. Yeah, that seems okay. Slide it down a little bit. Nope, not an option. That should be fine. Let's see what she does. See if it'll fire up. We got 46% battery. We're only gonna take a 5-minute drive. Okay. We're running smooth. I didn't put the power steering belt back on, but I think it'll be fine. Pre-pump these brakes. I'm interested to see what the gas gauge, what the speedometer gauge reads too. Taking it real nice and easy here. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna have any shimmy or whatever when I hit bumps. I took that shimmy damper off. Oh, that's right, it doesn't downshift. No kick down cable. I'll downshift. So far, everything feels great. The brakes are garbage. Should be in second gear. give it a shot. Nah, nothing. Nothing at all. Let's see about right here. I'm sure we can get it to peel out a little bit right here in the gravel. Oh yeah. She's willing. We just need some more tuning. Those new spark plugs will probably make a big difference. All right. I'm gonna call that a success. Ugh. A little bit of smoke. Go ahead and shut it down. Should I check the water and stuff? Nah, it's fine. Okay. All right, well that's it for today. We're going to go ahead and change the spark plugs and then start worrying about what it takes to make this thing legal. Particularly, I'm going to endeavor to put the power brakes. So at first we'll have power brakes on the front, and then we'll go ahead and plumb out the rear brakes, and hopefully the seals don't blow, but if they do, it is what it is. And then from there, you know, of course we're going to put the lights and seat belts and a horn. The turn signal is an aftermarket job, but it does actually make the right turn signal turn right in the rear, so I mean we're not too far away. The windshield wipers work, so new windshield wipers. I got one mirror, that's all it's required. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We're going to keep moving forward on this old truck here. I got other stuff to do. Thank you.